There's so much going on here for marine science. There's highly esteemed institutions like the Aquarium, the Marine Biological Association, Plymouth Marine Laboratory. I'm Paul. I study ocean exploration and surveying at the University of Plymouth. There's so much equipment available, all 3 vessels. There's Falcon Spirit, there's Wave Dancer, there's the 2 pigs. The fact that the university had a dedicated marine science facility really helped to emphasise that there was a lot of help for the marine science degrees. My placement really consolidated what I'd learned during my degree, and it kind of gave me the experience of working offshore and in the kind of like inshore environment. So to then be able to go into industry and already have a little bit of experience, it really does help. My job title was a research assistant, so I was helping out a lot with surveying, deploying equipment, as well as analysing some of the data. A lot of the stuff was helping to deploy the equipment, recover it, repair it, that kind of stuff, learning how it works. Of course, during the first 2 years, we're taught how different aspects of equipment work, so CTDs, sound velocity profilers and things like that. And these were heavily used in my placement, so they didn't have to train us on how they worked and that kind of stuff, and that was really invaluable. So all in all, there's tons of practical experience for students here. I would definitely recommend studying marine sciences at the University of Plymouth.